Nissan has revealed the X-Trail Nismo, a sportier version of the regular family SUV in Japan. It gets several chassis upgrades and some cosmetic updates too. But the 1.5-litre petrol-hybrid powertrain with all-wheel drive e-power has been carried over unchanged. On the exterior, the X-Trail Nismo gets dark chrome accents that sweep horizontally above the grille, front splitter with Nismo badging, side skirt and a rear diffuser with an F1-style brake light and red highlight. Nissan says the body kit generates downforce without increasing air resistance. It reduces lift by 29% compared to the base model. Another exterior highlight is exclusive 20-inch Enkei aluminium wheels that have a wide center opening to improve brake cooling and a flat rim to streamline airflow. The X-Trail Nismo gets Michelin Pilot Sport EV tyres. The X-Trail Nismo is available in a 5-seater configuration only. Inside, the X-Trail Nismo features a black and red cabin and is adorned by striking red accents throughout. It also comes with a red center marker on the leather steering wheel and a red push-button start to remind would-be owners that they are in something special. Those who want more inside their X-Trail Nismo can get the optional Recaro Sport seats. Unlike regular seats, the Recaro units provide high levels to support the suppressed body movement during cornering. In addition, the Recaro seats come with a power reclining system and heating for extra comfort. The new Nissan X-Trail Nismo keeps Nissan's well-known e-power hybrid system, combining a 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine that works as a generator with dual electric motors. This setup delivers either 211 horsepower and a strong 525 Nm of torque for instant acceleration. While outright power remains the same as the standard X-Trail e-power, the way it's delivered feels different. The retuned all-wheel drive system, upgraded suspension and improved grip make the driving experience notably more engaging without sacrificing the fuel efficiency and low emissions of the hybrid setup. One of the biggest talking points about the new Nissan X-Trail Nismo is its upgraded chassis. Nissan has equipped it with Kaya swing valve dampers, a first for the X-Trail. These advanced dampers are designed to deliver a smoother ride while significantly improving cornering control. The all-wheel drive system, known as the E-Force, has been retuned to provide a more rear-biased torque distribution. This makes the SUV feel more agile and responsive, especially when taking bends at higher speeds. Steering has also been sharpened for quicker, more precise input. Two distinct driving modes, Sport and Auto, allow drivers to tailor the SUV's character to their mood. Sport mode brings a more connected, performance-oriented feel, while Auto keeps things smooth for city driving and long-distance cruising.